You know, it kind of hurts my little itty bitty heart that we gotta do a cardio video, but it is necessary. All right. So I hope you like it. If you're still trying to get gains, just don't do too much. You know, it's like whatever. Hope you enjoyed the video. Anyways, so look guys, I didn't know that made noise, I was kind of just messing with this video. Look, bikes, okay? So a lot of people, the only reason why I'm making this video, somebody in this gym I was talking about what they do, and they said, oh, you know, I like to ride the bike for whatever miles. And I'm like, cool, that's great. But then I noticed that his RPM, which is rotations per minute, will just up and down. So the reason why I make this video is understand that when you're doing these bikes, especially like these bikes like such as this and not like an outdoor bike, remember you want that RPM to be at a state and you want to slowly increase. So when you first start, you can have it, depending on your fitness level, could be at 50. You know, like for me, I started off at 70. And then every minute or a minute and a half, I will increase it to 80, which basically means that RPM never goes below 80, all right? Then you want to make sure you're challenging yourself towards like at 100, 120, that's how you measure your growth. Rather than you just write it down and say, all right, well, today I'm not going below a 90, today I'm not going below 100, you know? And then that's how you measure your growth. And then you can do that for however many miles. So, other than that, guys, another big thing with bikes is you got two different types of bikes. All right, as you can see right here, you get the bike where it's up. All right, you're pedaling down. Okay, whereas this bike, you're sitting kind of neutral to your pedals. All right, so understand with bike sections like this, all right, it's not necessarily the best for your hips. Because your hips is neutral, as you can see right here, and then you're pedaling. Whereas a bike such as this stature, all right, I keep saying this and that because if we're being honest, I don't know the different names. All right, I could lie to you, but it's not my name. All right, I looked it up and then I forgot. So it happens. All right, and I'm not doing a retake. So we're here in the streets making bike videos. So with a bike such as this, is better for the hips. Now, but you still gotta make sure you adjust it the right way. Okay, so you adjust depending on your height and your comfort level. All right, if you're feeling any knee pain in this or that means your adjustments is not the best. Okay, just because I don't know the names of the two bikes, all right, and it slipped my mind does not mean that I do not know what I'm talking about. Okay, I personally just don't like giving out bad information. I don't know about you, but if you do like this video, please hit the likes up. If you don't like the video, please hit a like up and then subscribe because it's about to be Christmas and season of giving, really. I'm not sure why I keep touching my boobs. You have a great day, guys.